Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share a beginner friendly step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve a beautiful boss braids using the rubber band method. If you have ever struggled with gripping your hair for boss braids, this technique will make the process so much easier. So let's dive right in.
Under the trees, I found a box of.
Alright, some of the supplies we're going to need today are rubber bands, hair extensions, ragtag comb, hair moisturizer, hair clips, scissors, hair gel or edge control, which is optional, but it helps with your parting and of course the edges, okay? And of course you need a lot of patience and a positive attitude, especially if you're doing your girl's hair, okay? You need to, sometimes they be acting up, so you need a lot of patience and a positive attitude to handle them today. So if you've got all this, let's get it started.
One night I opened it up, and your voice came pouring out like gold, as silent as a whisper in the wind. Lonely words were hovering within. If I ever let the darkness come alive, I swear I won't be turning round. If I ever let the darkness come alive, I swear that I won't turn around. We found a perfect system to replace.
Alright, so step 2 is to start parting your hair, okay, in sections. Of course, I'm going for a large, okay, braids. So my sections are going to be much larger than the regular size boss braids, okay? So depending on how you want your braids, that is how you're going to divide your hair and choose the size that suits your preference, right? And of course, step 3, don't forget to always apply a hair moisturizer to your sections, okay, of your hair. This will help to keep your natural hair healthy and prevent breakage. Step 4, secure your natural hair with a rubber band near the root. This creates a base for your braid.
All our worn out sins.
Alright, best, it's time for us to add the extension. Fold it, okay, and then pass it through the hook. Alright, so I'm using the crochet method way. So I'm passing it through that hook, crochet hook, and over to the other side. And of course, I'll measure to make sure they're the same length. And afterwards, I'm going to twist the natural hair a little bit and cover it with the extension, okay? The aim is to cover her natural hair, that way it's not showing, alright? And I'll do that, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to place the other remaining half of the extension over her natural hair, okay, making sure that the loop end is near the rubber band, and I will begin braiding, okay? Of course, already we have 3 sections of that extension, and we'll begin braiding it that way as normal as we would, all right? Because we already have 3 sections. Just keep braiding it down, and I'm going to braid it all the way to the end. I'm not using rubber band at the end, but I'm going to use beads, so I'm braiding it all the way to the end. So this is the same way I'm going to repeat the whole head until it's done. So I'm going to repeat the same process like I did with previous braids. Okay, everything's same, and this is going to be the same process for the whole head until I am done braiding this. Also, you can choose to rubber band the hair, okay, the natural hair already, like section all your hair, rubber banded before braiding. You can choose to do that, or you can do as you go. Okay, it's up to you. I was just sectioning and rubber banding and then braiding as I go. So, but I think I found it easier and much quicker if you rubber band the sections first before braiding. Okay, make sure that it's not too tight on your baby girl's hair or even your hair. Okay, when you're braiding, but this is the quickest and easiest hairstyle and also protective for your girls. And of course, I made it to be kids friendly. All right, you're gonna love it at the end of this video. I promise you, you're gonna love this hair. So keep on watching until we braid to the end.
If I ever let the darkness come alive, if I ever let the darkness come alive.
have come to the end of this video, okay? And this rubber band method buzz braids for kids, beginner friendly, you cannot beat that, okay? This is kids friendly as well, and I love it. Now don't forget to seal the ends with hot water, just like I am doing here. And after this, I'm going to accessorize it to take it from a 1 to 100. You know how we do it, okay? To accessorize with some beads, of course, to add some more cutie to this hair, okay? So they'll keep looking cute and gorgeous as they step out the house. You know what I mean, right? Anyways, I want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And please also share the video to your loved ones as well. We appreciate it. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.